What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about AMC a little bit because we know we need to continue to talk about it, give you guys an update because, especially since things are pulling back in the markets, you want to understand what's going on with the position and where my head is because it makes you feel at ease if you know that somebody like me, somebody like anybody else that's on YouTube, or even that is a professional. No way am I saying that I am a professional. I'm just letting you know exactly what I'm doing with my position and exactly how I feel going forward. So guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one, and make sure you get your free stocks with Webull down below. Don't forget to check out some of the links in the description. It does help out the channel. Now we need to get into this because I wanted to just open this up and understand where everyone's head is. So this is where the comment section comes into play. Let me know where your head is in the comments. If you feel it, like everything's going against you right now, like this is a horrible situation and you want to get out and you're tired of this and all of this, let me know in the comment section because I want you to vent. I want you to get it all out of there and don't just take it out on your positions because it could be detrimental to your success if you take it out on your position. So let it out in the comment section. Let me know, or in the Discord group. Let me know exactly what you're thinking here. But you can see here that the day didn't start out too bad, right? After seeing a decrease, seeing this level from $40 all the way down to a low opening up at $38.80. We did see a low as we did, open up, get down to about $30 and $38.13. Now it did increase after that, which I was really excited about. We started to see it jump up, jump above the 200 EMA and stay above the 200 EMA and then start to really rise up to about $40 and then resisted at $40 and about 90 cents or so and decreased and didn't stop decreasing from then on out. I can tell you that this had to have had a ton of short volume that was going through here. Remember, 80% retail held. I would imagine that, and I can't really have the exact data, but I would imagine that retail traders are not selling at this rate. It just doesn't make sense. It doesn't line up because we're all holding the position so that we know this will take off. We know as we do buy, as there's more FOMO buying. And I have people in the Discord group that told me they made some profits from other positions. They bought AMC. This is what we're getting from retail traders. So everything that's happening here is it has to be manipulation. I don't want to sit here and say that it is, but it physically has to be. And I hate the fact that they continuously short the position, whether it's in front of our face or behind the scenes, things we don't see. So you could see this did dip down here, started to increase a little bit. I would call it a form of consolidation, but then started to dip even more down to a low of $38.05. Now you could see at the end of the day, it started to increase a little bit and just level out here. We're about to close, and it looks like we're going to close at about down 4%. And it's not a good day, right? You can see the volume here, 29 million, 29.87 million. It's probably going to finish at about 30, 35 million between that range in the after hours market. I hope the after hours market shows what really should be happening in the markets. This liftoff of, of this stock price and see this jump up to where it should have been, because this a couple of days ago was in the level of, basically $48, about to break that $50 barrier. And it made no sense that it fell back so hard, so quickly. And it was the only one that fell back so hard, so quickly, right? This is one of those positions that we obviously believe in a hell of a lot. And to see this massive buying strength and a massive pullback, we understand what this pullback consists of. It's nothing but shorting and, them trying to manipulate us out of our positions. But guess what? They can try every single wiggle and way that they can try and get us out of these positions. It's not going to work. It's not going to work. I'm at 900 shares, still holding. I have these 145 call options, still holding the position. I understand that this could be massive, the way that they're pulling this back, and it's making me think that they're finding ways to liquidate some of these areas. I would imagine we probably should have seen AMC increase a little bit more if they were liquidating everything, but I would definitely say that institutions, hedge funds, big money, they're taking a lot of capital out of a lot of these positions across the board. And that's why we're seeing a a big increase or a big decrease in a ton of different positions, a ton of different stocks. And it was kind of difficult to make money today when it comes to day trading. But all of my unrealized gains and losses, they sit where they are. I don't gain anything until I sell. I don't lose anything until I sell as well. Now let's look at Vortex Data just to get an understanding of maybe what's going on here. They are borrowing more shares, so it looks like they borrowed 2.4 million more shares. And there was 4.5 million shares that were returned. Now, obviously, if you're returning shorted shares, you would see nothing but positivity. So this has to consist of, yes, they are returning some shorted shares, but it has to consist of some other things and what they are doing when it comes to the amount that they're actually shorting, not just the amount that they're borrowing. They're shorting a heavy amount, well over what they're doing there. You can see here that the short interest of free float is back up to 17%. We're looking at 87 million shorted shares that's still out there, and the shares on loan is below 100. It's at 99. Utilization is at 85. I did want to take a look at the Fintel data. The Fintel data shows that they're only shorting 33% yesterday, which didn't make sense. 33% the day before that. It's not lining up. They're showing a lot lower numbers when the buy volume, and the people that are holding, the amount of people that are holding is staying consistent. We're looking at 80%, maybe even more than that are holding the position, that are retail traders, that are retail investors. We understand what this can be and what this will be. So it really doesn't line up. All of the things are not lining up. And when they don't line up, you obviously have something that's out of place. And that thing that's out of place is the thing that's behind the scenes. What are they doing, in these dark pools? What are they doing when it comes to them secretly shorting or hiding their short positions? It's just ridiculous the amount or lengths that they go to in order to prove that they're right. Because at this point, it's not about them making money, because they've lost billions of dollars and they will lose billions more dollars. But they're just making this horrible for themselves. And if they do this, right, if they continue to do this, eventually I think it will be to a point to where they get bailed out. And if they get bailed out, they don't really learn a lesson. They continue to do something and say, you know what, we're going to get bailed out. So how about I just keep doing what I'm doing until the government decides to bail us out? It makes no sense to me. All of this is very confusing. And I'm sorry that a bunch of people have to deal with this, because you feel like you're getting, you're going in the right direction. It's all green. You feel like you're going, like everything's going your way. And then all of a sudden it gets, you get cut off at the knees and maybe even at the hips, apparently, because it's not going our way. It was a bad day today. I wouldn't say that it's over. I'm not going to give up on this position. I'm not leaving. You're not leaving. I'm not leaving. Nobody's leaving. The only people that are going to be leaving, and hopefully they learn their freaking lesson, is the goddamn hedge funds. That's the way that I'll put it. So guys, let me know your opinion on AMC. That's really all I can give you guys today. Make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button. Take some time to check out some of the links in the description, as well as my Discord group and the Patreon. Sign up for that. There's a lot of good information that's over there. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.